Hello, my friends, and welcome. Every successful person pays a price. Most people quit because they never decided what the price would be. Undecided people negotiate with discomfort. Decided people execute. If you're new here, I'm Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I help entrepreneurs stop consuming success ideas from this book and start installing success habits. This is day 6 of our Think and Grow Rich 90-day application challenge. Built to turn these principles into daily discipline and identity. If you've read this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, but haven't seen consistent results yet, this challenge is for you. Napoleon Hill is blunt. Every goal has a cost. He says there's no such thing as something for nothing. Desire without acceptance of that cost is fantasy. If you think you're going to get whatever you want to get without giving something in exchange, that's just fantasy. Decision ends that inner debate. When you know upright that, okay, I'm going to have to pay this price, then there's no debating it. You just do what you need to do. So when the price is decided way in advance, resistance loses that leverage. Okay. So pain doesn't stop people. It's indecision that actually stops them. Once the price is decided, action becomes simpler. In the persistence chapter of this book, Napoleon Hill said the price to pay for learning how to apply these principles is studying them, right? So principles are there, but in order for you to make them part of your identity of who you are, you got to pay the price of studying them. You not only do you consume the content, but you actually take action. Because again, he says knowledge is not power. Knowledge only becomes powerful when it's organized and directed towards a definite end. So there's a price for you to pay if you want to be able to live, to think and grow rich. And that price is dedicating time to actually learn these principles and make them part of your daily activities. So let me give you 3 action steps that you can take right now to start applying this principle. So first and foremost, I want you to write one sentence answering this question. What am I willing to give up or endure to achieve my aim? Some people, most people, they have a goal, but they're only willing to do what's comfortable, what's convenient in order to achieve that goal, right? So you need to make a decision, decide what you're willing to give in return for this. I'll give you an example. I am not allowed to watch TV during the week because that time is for me studying for my college degree and building my business. So I'm willing to give up binge watching stuff during the week, and I allow myself to watch 2 hours from Friday to Sunday. Okay. The other price that I decided is to stop going out socializing because then I'd waste the next day waking up late in bed. So it's different things that you need to become aware. Okay, this is what I want, and this is what I'm willing to give up to get what it is that I want. So step number 2, write one sentence starting with, for the next 90 days, I accept that I will. Okay, so complete that sentence. And then lastly, say the sentence out loud once. I have decided to pay the price, and I pay it without complaining. You can't have both. Okay. So if you're watching this as part of the program in our community, click the link below to access this in the resource section. Otherwise, I'm going to pin it in the comments as well for you. But speaking of comments, right, what I want you to answer in the comments is, what's the one thing you already know that you need to sacrifice to reach your goal? What are you doing that's holding you back from achieving your goal that you need to get rid of? Let me know in the comments. One sentence is long enough, no explanations. Become aware of it, and then most importantly, act on that. Okay. So lastly, if you want accountability and structure while you pay the price, I invite you to click the link in the description to join my Think and Grow Rich mastermind community. This is where this challenge becomes consistent execution, not just intention. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more